Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. I'm so glad you're back. And you see where I am, in my kitchen. Today, I'm going to be making a pumpkin soup. I'm just bringing you along with what I make for my family during the week. The children stay with us, our grandchildren stay with us during the week, and they go with their mom during the weekend. So we have them with us while they're going to school. And I need to make food that they will eat, and that's good for them. So today we're having grilled cheese sandwiches, bacon grilled cheese sandwiches. You know Memaw don't want just a grilled cheese sandwich, don't you? Bacon grilled cheese sandwiches and a pumpkin soup. Now, not all of them like pumpkin soup, so we'll have some other little canned soup stuff on the side for them because that's what they like. But we have to feed them, and we want to feed them good nutritional stuff. So I'll make my pumpkin soup. I'll show you how I'm doing these grilled cheese sandwiches. It's a great fall, easy meal for the evening. So here's Noah. He is home from school because everybody's home from school right now. So
can I be in the video?
Yes.
Yeah, buddies.
This is my favorite Noah. And guess what we're having for dinner?
Grilled cheese.
Yes, he likes grilled cheese. So let's go ahead and get started. I need to chop up some things first. I have some onion, garlic, and I have a little piece of zucchini that I had from dinner last night. That's just a small little piece, but I hate for it to go to waste. Now I have my eye on, and I'm adding just a little bit of avocado oil. It doesn't have to be too small, it just needs to be chopped. Now let's add that garlic. I have my eye down on a medium heat. How those onions are becoming translucent. That's where I want them to be. So let's keep stirring. I like for my onions to get just a have a little bit of caramelization on it. I don't want to burn them, but I want them to be caramelized so that the flavor of the onion can come through. Now that the onions have caramelized and they are translucent and got a little bit of flavor, I'm going to add my chicken broth. The chicken broth was frozen, and it's that much chicken broth. I think that's a quart maybe. To add in my pumpkin. Okay, you see it's coming along. I'm going to taste this now. Let me stir this just a little bit. Needs a little bit of salt, and I always add a pinch of brown sugar. Let this simmer a little bit. I will then add my whipping cream, and I have about a half a cup of whipping cream that I'll put in. That makes the body of the soup come to life. Okay, so now I have pulled out stick because I want to make this smooth. I want to get everything down in there that should be gotten browned up. And you know, it wasn't much onion and garlic and stuff in there, so it does not take long to get it blended. And now that it's blended, and you see the texture of it is not really thick, but it's thicker than it was, I'm going to add my cream, my whipping cream. Ooh, boy. Peyton, you gonna eat some? All right, Peyton is in the room now. Ari is the only one who has not been in here. So, all right. Okay, it's time to taste it again, because, you know, you have to taste your food when you're cooking. You don't want to, and I got to make sure that it's smooth now and that it is tasting good. Ooh, baby. Now that's some kind of good. I don't care what nobody say. I slurped it that time, but that was good. So now I'm going to get my stuff set up for my grilled cheese sandwiches. So let's get to cooking. Set up for frying my bacon, and we're going to get the bacon fried up real quickly. Okay, so I did buy this uncured bacon jam, which is kind of sweet and savory, that I'm going to put on my sandwich. Now, I don't know if anybody else, and I know Peepaw doesn't want any on his, and the children certainly don't want any on theirs, but I'll tell you how it is when I make my sandwiches. In the meanwhile, I'm going to set up my sandwich makings. Oh, I know what Peyton said her mouth is going to be drooling on the inside. She's smelling bacon. I did get this bread. It's a Nature's Own, and it's a brioche style bread. So I've not used that before, but I'm going to try it. I have sliced mozzarella. I have sliced provolone. And I have sliced sharp cheddar cheese. I have a little bit of pepper jack too. We like some heat. So we'll be getting a lot of cheese on our sandwiches. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get our bread buttered up. Everybody knows how to make grilled cheese sandwiches, I know. Okay, I'm making mine in pea balls. I got the kids done already. And I'm trying to wrestle with my cheese. And this is pea ball sandwich. And then I'm going to make mine. And let's put some mozzarella, ooey gooey mozzarella on this. That's one of the benefits of being the cook. You can fix it like you want it for yours. Everybody else is kind of at your discretion. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to push off some of this bacon fat, but we're going to use that. And this is pea ball sandwich going on. Noah sandwich, and this is Ari's, Hayden's, and finally mine. All right, let them cook. There we go. Okay, they are ready. I stacked this bowl on top so that the cheese could melt. And it melted and it's looking ooey and gooey. Let me cut my sandwich, and then I'll be right back to taste it for you, to let you know how it's coming along. Oh, listen to that crunch. Boy, let's try this. I like that. Got a little bit of sweet, a whole lot of bacony. Eat with my soup, and I'm good to go. Oh yeah, that's some good eatings right there. We're gonna sit down with the children, and we're going to have us a good meal. It's the middle of the week, but we're still trying to get it done. And it's about 6 o'clock. We're ready to eat. Y'all have a good evening. God bless y'all. Bye.